So guys, guess what came today? I have been waiting for a long time. Take a look. See what who's it from? Riverton. So guys, guess what came today? I have been waiting for a long time. So, gotta open it up, see what it is. It's pretty heavy. So it's not stamps. Oh, a couple of plates. And the big reveal. Ha! It is a new Stampin Cut and Emboss machine, the Mini. Yay! I have been waiting a long time for this. They told us it was coming almost 2 years ago, and it's finally here. It's really cool because, and I like it, and I wanted it because I can use it under my camera. So you can flip the plates down like that, and then it has several plates that come along with it. It has a quick start guide to read. And what's really cool are that the plates are labeled. So this first plate, so that would go down first. And then put down cutting plate number 2, cutting plate number 1. Let's see, we're going to have to cut something with this. Let me get a die or a piece of cardstock. Here's one, and I happen to have a circle die right over here. Okay, so this is half the size of the regular one, and I'm going to have to cut this down a bit, because it'll only take 3 inches. So I'll cut this down instead of 6 inches. So I'll put that down like that. And my circle die, I hope it's not too big. Nope, perfect. And then we put the second cutting plate down. That. Get them lined up properly, and through it goes. Ta-da! I always hate it when you get the first cut on a new plate with that scoring, but that's the way it goes. And there you have it. Cut out perfectly, quick, easy, doesn't take up much storage space. Comes also with a plate number 3. This is for embossing folders. And plate number 4 is also for the embossing folder. So directions on here. Okay, so if you're just die cutting, you use plate number 1, and you use plate 2, 2 plate 2s. If I were to emboss, it shows using plate number 1 and this plate number 3, and you would run it through like that. Now, if you have, this is for thin, this is for the standard embossing folders. And if you have the thick one, you use plate number 4. So you would use plate 1 and plate 4 for the 3D ones. Notice the difference in thickness between the embossing plate 3 and the embossing plate 4. There are also different colors. That helps you to color cue them. So anyway, I am so excited because much of what we cut does not take the bigger one. So when you're done, you just fold up the plates like that. And there you have it. You can just store it away. Light, easy to carry. And then you've got the 3 plates. Nope. You've got the 2 cutting plates, the platform, and then you've got 2 embossing plates. Now the embossing folders are smaller for the mini. So I have let me go get one of the smaller ones. See, they're just about half. They're just about half the size of the standard embossing folder. This is a wide one. There are some that are a little bit narrower, some of the narrower ones. But this is the one that you would use with the mini. So I can show you what that looks like. Trim down my paper. I'll put it in here. So we use plate number 1. And yeah, and the embossing folder, and then plate number 3, because this is a standard embossing, not a 3D. And you crank it through. And it's fairly tight. I work better cranking it this way. I've got a little more leverage. And they're nicely embossed piece of paper. So the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss was well worth the wait. They will come on with a couple more products for it at a later date. We will get an embossing, an impression plate, and a magnetic plate. As well at a future date. We don't have the time for that. The other thing that's great about this is it is only $60. It's half the price of the large one. So there are times when you're going to need the full-sized one. We, like I say, if you want to use the big embossing folders, you would need that. Some of the dies are too big to go through this one, so you would have to have the big one as well. The big one sells for $120, and this one is $60, and they are awesome. So there you go, and I'm so excited. You can't order it as a customer until the 5th of January, but if you want one now, contact me. You can sign up to be a demonstrator, and you can pre-order just like I did and have it for yourself right away. So that's it. That's the new mini Stampin' Emboss or cut and emboss machine. I think we're calling it Stampin' C&E to shorten it. So thank you for watching, and you have a great day. And I'm going to be back in about 15 minutes, Linda, with the regular presentation for making some samples with the November paper pumpkin kit. So I'll see you back in about 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, Linda. Bye-bye.